E is a point on PQ. The question says that E is a point on PQ. F is a point on PR. I discussed this one in the previous class. F is a point on PR, and let me join EF. We have to check whether EF parallel to QR. We have to check whether EF parallel to QR. Second question I am doing. PE equal to 4. PE equal to 4. Let me write it. PE equal to 4. I am doing second one. QE equal to 4.5. QE equal to 4.5. PF equal to 8. And RF equal to 9. RF equal to 9. So I just written the numbers, sides. Is it okay? Please respond. All of you clear till this step? Okay, my mobile phone is stuck. I cannot see. Okay, anyway, you understood. So I want to check whether EF parallel to QR. In the previous class we studied that if the left side ratio equal to right side ratio, the two sides will be parallel. The theorem, in two ways we can explain that theorem. If these two sides are parallel, left side ratio equal to right side ratio. Or if the left side ratio equal to right side ratio, they are parallel. So left side ratio, let me do the ratio in this way. PE divided by QE. Let me take the ratio in that way. PE divided by QE. Left side ratio 4 by 4.5. Let me. The steps are required in exam. You must write the step. The left side ratio means PE by EQ. Hello. Please mute your audio. Who is talking? Please mute your audio. P equal to 4 and Q equal to 4.5. The left side ratio is 4 by 4.5. Let me do the simplification. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 10, I can avoid the fraction. 40 by 45. Later you may reduce it further by dividing by 5. I will clarify all your doubt. Let me write a few steps. 8 by 9. I got 8 by 9. Now right side ratio will be PF by FR. In the same pattern I am taking right side ratio PF by FR. PF is 8, FR is also FR is 9. So I got the left side ratio and right side ratio are equal. Left side ratio 8 by 9. The right side ratio also 8 by 9. Understood. So EF parallel to QR. All of you please write down. If you are 100% clear, please raise your hand. If you are 100% clear and written, raise your hand. I cannot see your raise hand. Please raise your hand if you have written. You have raised your hand. Okay, but I cannot watch. I cannot see it. 1 minute. Let me rejoin from my mobile. Okay, let me discuss the next question. Let me discuss the next problem. The second question is clear to you. Now I am going to discuss the third question. Third question I am discussing. Let me draw the triangle. Same thing, same diagram. I don't want to repeat it. Same diagram. There is a triangle PQR. E is a point on PQ. F is a point on PR. I have to check whether EF parallel to QR or not. Third question, they says that PQ equal to. They says that PQ will be this much. PQ will be this much. You can ask me doubt once I finish it. PQ equal to PR. Yes. PQ equal to 1.28. PR equal to 2.56. PR is this much. 2.56. PE equal to 0.18. PE will be this much. 0.18. PF equal to 0.36. PF will be this much. So the question says that, the left side ratio equal to right side ratio. The left side ratio, in two ways you can take the ratio. In two ways you can take the left side ratio. Either PE by EQ, I discussed yesterday. In two ways you can take the ratio. Either PE by EQ. EQ is not available here. Don't worry. PE by PQ is also, and we can take. PE by PQ we can take, because PE and PQ both are available. PE and PQ both are available. So in two ways you can take the ratio. Either PE by EQ, but EQ is not available. So in another way we can take the left side ratio. PE by PQ. Both are available. So let me complete the solution. Then only please ask doubt. Okay. PE is 0.18. PE is 0.18 divided by PQ is 1.28. Okay. I hope you have understood. Let me join from a mobile now. So in this case, I want to remove the decimal. Let me multiply numerator and denominator by 100. Let me multiply numerator and denominator by 100 to remove the decimal. I am joining from my mobile. Then only I can watch you. So just for removing the decimal. 0.18 into 100 will be 18. 1.28 into 100 will be 128. Till this step you are okay? Till this step you are okay? Please respond. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Benedict, Joshida, Lina, Nishita. 1 minute. Who is this? Samriddhi, Joshida, Lina, Nishita, Benedict. Okay. I can see everyone. Okay. So 18 by 128. You may reduce it. Or you can do the simplification later. No problem. Let me find out the other ratio. After that, I will do the simplification. Then the left side ratio is written. Then what is the right side ratio? Left side ratio is PE by PQ. In the same way, the right side ratio will be PF by PR. PF is 0.36. PR is 2.56. Removing the decimal is important. multiply numerator and denominator by 100. We get 36 by 256. Are these ratios equal? A small change. Let me divide numerator and denominator by 2. 36 by 2 will be 18. 256 by 2 will be 128. The left side ratio and the right side ratio now equal. That is PE by PQ equal to PF by PR. Hence the parallel EF parallel to QR. Please remove your old raise hand if you are 100% clear and written all these steps. 100% clear and written all these steps, raise your hand. Benedict, Samruddhi, Joshida. Everyone is clear. Anybody has joined? 1 minute. Good afternoon. Good evening. Lyle എന്താണ് മീറ്റിംഗ് മാറി? ലയല് ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്, ലയൽ ഈ ലിങ്ക് അല്ല കേട്ടോ ലയല്. ഓക്കെ, ലയല് ഞാൻ വാട്സപ്പ് മെസ്സേജ് ഒന്ന് നോക്കി, ഞാൻ വേറെ മീറ്റിംഗ് ലിങ്കാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ലയൽ കേട്ടോ? ലയല് ഹലോ കേൾക്കാമോ? ലയല് ഞാൻ വാട്സപ്പ് മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ, ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ യെസ്. Okay, everyone clear? Everyone is okay?
Yes, sir.
So let me give you one question. It's not tough question. Let me give you two questions. I want to ensure that you understood the question well. I will draw the diagram. Okay, I will draw the diagram. Question is, you have to check whether parallel or not. ABC, similar to previous question. I want to ensure that you listen class. That's why. First question, this is A, this is F. Let me write here. Question is EF parallel to BC? One more question. You have to do this question right now. Okay, similar to previous questions, you try this question. Let me check your solution. Samruddhi sent both. Let me check 1 minute. ബെനഡിക്റ്റിന് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ബെനഡിക്റ്റ് എനിക്ക് ആൻസർ അയച്ചു തരാറില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. ബെനഡിക്റ്റ് എന്തെങ്കിലും റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ പറയണേ. ബെനഡിക്റ്റ്. Nishit, yes, your answer is correct, Nishit. Samruddhi, yes, answer is correct. Joshida, let me check. Only one you completed, right? Joshida, only one solution you sent. please send the other one. Okay, I waited for 2 minutes. You can complete it as homework. Benedict അയച്ചു തരണോട്ടോ. ബെനഡിറ്റ് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരാറില്ല. ബെനഡിറ്റ് കേട്ടല്ലോ, കേട്ടോ. Lina, also you have not sent me answer. Lina.
Sir, I didn't get first answer.
Okay, no problem. After the class you please send, okay? Lina, have you written the question? Lina?
Yes, sir.
After the class you can send. Then the next is full of show that type question, completely show that question. This chapter is tough chapter. So far it is okay, but the next problem onwards, it is full of show that type questions. So you have to ask me doubt. If you don't understand anything, you please ask. I am ready to repeat it. It is your responsibility to ask me doubt, okay? So next is onwards, there is a full of show that type questions. Third one I am discussing. Third one, first you have to complete all the problems from textbook. Joshita, I will check your solution. 6.18, right? Okay, this diagram. Let me select the diagram. The figure is given. Let me select. 1 minute, just wait. Here there is nothing. 1 minute. So look at this question. It is taken from text. All of you please listen. Next, there will be plenty of show that question. Figure 6.18. LM parallel to BC. LM parallel to CB. Where is LM and LM? Where is LM? I will show you. LM, this one is LM, right? LM is parallel to CB. You have to mark like this, so you get a good clarity. LM is parallel to BC. And LN parallel to CD. LN, there is another one LN. There is another one LN parallel to CD. Correct. We have to prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. How to prove it? AM by AB equal to AN by AD. Most of the questions are similar, but listen. So I will explain. All of you please listen. Initially we are focusing on the first triangle. All of you please listen. After that you can ask me doubt. Okay, initially you focus on one triangle. For this triangle, you know that there are two parallel sides, right? We studied property. Consider this highlighted triangle only. You see that these two are parallel. Understood? So I can take in that case, if the parallel, the left side ratio equal to right side ratio. We have already studied. So left side ratio can be written like, let me take the left side ratio like this. Understood? The side BC, there is a line segment parallel to the side BC. In that case, the left side ratio AM by BM or AM by AB, or show that question contains AM by AB. So AM by AB. In this way, let me take the ratio AM by AB. The left side ratio will be equal to, after this you can ask me doubt. Let me write it. The left side ratio equal to right side ratio. Consider only this right angle triangle. There is a parallel side, parallel line. So the left side ratio equal to right side ratio, AM by AB. The steps are important. You have to write like this. Since LM parallel to CB, left side ratio will be AM by AB. right side ratio, corresponding right side ratio will be AL by AC. The reason you have to write inside the bracket. Which theorem is used? Basic proportionality theorem. At least write BPT theorem. Basic BPT, not BBT, BPT theorem. Basic proportionality theorem we studied in the previous class. I mean parallel side, then the left side ratio equal right side ratio. You have to write the reason here, okay? BPT theorem. BPT theorem. I will clarify all your doubt, don't worry. Please write till this step. All of you please, not completed yet. All of you please till this step. If you have any doubt, please ask. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. 100% clear. Benedict, Lina, Samruddhi, Nishit understood. Joshida understood. Okay. Now there is another triangle in the other side. There is another triangle we can consider. Can you see another triangle here having parallel sides? Can we have another triangle having parallel sides? Yes. Consider only this highlighted triangle only. Okay. The steps are very, very important. You write the required steps. Since Ln parallel to CD given in the question, Ln parallel to CD, I can take the left side ratio equal to right side ratio. Left side ratio, let me write like in the earlier case I have written AL by AC, right? So AL is this much, AC is this much. Let me take in that way. Earlier I have taken the ratio in that way. That is why AL by AC is the left side ratio. So the right side ratio will be AN by AD. AL by AC is the left side ratio. Parallel sides are there, right? AL by AC is the left side ratio. The corresponding ratio, right side ratio, AN by AD. You can ask me doubt, but let me complete it. So AL by AC equal to AN by AD. Equation number 2. The reason to be written there, BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Look at 1 and 2. You can see that 1 and 2 are identical. Here AL by AC, here also AL by AC. Equation 1 and equation 2 containing same term. Understood? So 1 and 2 are identical because 1 and 2 containing the same term. So 1 and 2 are same thing. So you can write the next step will be from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, AL by AC equal to AM by AB, right? AL by AC also equal to AN by AD. Both are AL by AC. So AL by AC also equal to AN by AD. This is what we need to prove. So all of you please write down. I have written all the important steps. All of you please write down. If you don't understand, please ask. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. Benedict, Samruddhi, Joshida, clear. Nishit, everyone is clear. Okay. So let me go to the next problem. The next is most of the questions are similar. Okay, same technique. We are using the almost same technique. Now fourth question I am selecting. I am just selecting fourth question. The diagram is given, figure 6.19, this one. Let me select the diagram. All of you please listen. All of you please listen. DE parallel to AC. DE parallel to AC. Where is DE? You have to mark it. This one is DE. Parallel to AC. If two parallel sides are given, the first step will be, remember, whatever may be the show that question. Whatever may be the show that question. If you are given two parallel sides, you have to consider the corresponding triangle. You have to consider the corresponding triangle. I want to use BPT theorem. That is why we will consider the corresponding triangle having these two are the parallel sides. This one is parallel to DE, right? The non-highlighted sides you need not consider. Understood? The sides which are not highlighted you need not consider. Don't focus on that non-highlighted sides. Only consider the highlighted side. Okay? I want to use BPT theorem on this. Whatever may be the show that question, we need not worry. If any two sides are parallel, consider the corresponding triangle for using BPT theorem. A ratio, in two ways you can take the ratio. The left side ratio will be a right side ratio. Here I can take the ratio BD by BA. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. BD by DA or BD by BA. Anything. Let me start with the BD by DA. If it is not working, I will write BD by BA. BE by EC. No problem. Listen. BF by FE. Don't worry. Listen. Left side ratio equal right side ratio, right? This one by this one. This is the left side ratio. The parallel line cut. So I got DE. So the left side ratio will be BD by DA. Let me take the ratio in this way. Left side ratio equal right side ratio. The same pattern I am taking the ratio. The non-highlighted sides don't consider. Don't even look at the non-highlighted sides. Only look at the highlighted sides. These two don't look at. If possible, you may delete it. If possible, you may delete it for the time being. Okay. For the time being, I will show you. I will delete it. 1 minute. It's not tough. For the time being, let me delete it. 1 minute. After later, I will show that side. These sides are not. I am not focusing on the non-highlighted sides. So for the time being, let me delete it. Don't look at it. I will show you that side after writing the equation. Understood? Only highlighted sides to be considered. Then you will not have any confusion, right? So the left side ratio equal to right side ratio. BD by DA written in the same way. BE by EC. All of you clear? Understood? Please respond. You understood? Only yes, the sir. Highlighted sides are considered. So remember, if you are given two parallel sides, the first step will be consider the triangle having the given parallel side. Consider the triangle including the given parallel side. Understood? Consider the triangle which includes the given parallel sides. And other thing, you can temporarily delete it. Then you will not have any confusion. Temporarily delete. So everyone is clear? Benedict, Nishit, everyone is clear to you? Please respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the steps are required. If you don't write the sufficient step, you will lose some mark. So what will be the first step? You may write like this. Since DE parallel to AC, I can write AD by DB, right? AD by DB or BD by DA. Anyway, you can, we start from the corner, right? BD by DA. The left side ratio, BD by DA, equal to right side ratio, BE by EC. BPT theorem. BPT theorem. BPT is the short form. Any other thing? Yes. Now this one is considered. Can I remove the highlighting? Yes. Can I remove the highlighting then? Other temporarily deleted one I will show you. Okay. Now which one? Any other sides parallel? DF parallel to AE. All of you please listen carefully. DF. Where is DF? DF parallel to AE. DF parallel to AE. So the triangle which containing these parallel sides to be considered. The triangle which containing these two parallel sides to be considered. Other non-highlighted thing need not consider. We have to look at the triangle which containing these parallel sides. Other thing you need not consider. For temporarily let me delete the other one, because I am not looking at the non-highlighted sides. So let me temporarily remove it. Otherwise you may have a confusion. That's why. This one I am not even looking at. Only the highlighted thing I am focusing. Only the highlighted thing I am focusing. The non-highlighted things I am not focusing. Just a minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, understood. Okay, now it is clear. Only highlighted thing I consider. So what is the step? Since DF parallel to AE, the ratio, left side ratio equal to right side ratio. When you write the ratio, please try to include the ratio given in equation number 1. Please try to include the ratio which is already present in 1. Try to include the ratio which is available in 1. The left side ratio BD by DA which is already there in 1. Left side ratio BD by DA. Let me complete it. After that you can ask me doubt. BD by DA. The left side ratio is taken. BD by DA is equal to right side ratio. The right side ratio will be BF by FE. BF by FE. Equation number 2, the same principle BPT. All of it clear till this step? All of it clear? Please respond. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? So let me delete the things, okay? So you look at this equation 1 and 2. All of you please look at the equation number 1. BD by DA present in 1. BD by DA also present in 2. So I can say that equation 1 and 2 are identical. See, because equation 1 contains this ratio, equation 2 also contains the same ratio. So from 1 and 2, what I can say, BE by EC. This one, BE by EC equal to BF by FE. This is what I want to prove. The order is different. Okay, let me write one more step. If A equal to B, I can say B equal to A. Understood? The order can be changed. Order can be changed. So BF by FE equal to BE by EC. This is what we want to prove. All of you please write down. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. 100% clear, raise your hand. Benedict നേരത്തെ raise hand ആണോ? Clear ആയോ Benedict? Benedict, clear. Nishit, Lina, Samardhi. After the class, you please try the solution once again. No, without looking at the solution, you please try to write the solution. So the principle is very simple. If you are given two parallel sides, initially you just highlight. Initially, if you have a pencil, you can do it, right? If you are given two parallel sides, you have to highlight the corresponding triangles containing that parallel sides. Then equate left side ratio equal to right side ratio. Then consider any other two sides are parallel, consider the corresponding triangle, take the ratio. Then from 1 and 2 you will get the answer. Or most of the question will be similar to this. Everyone is clear? Most of the question will be similar to this. There will be two equations, you will equate them. That is the way. Figure 6.20. All of you please listen. 6.20. All of you please listen carefully. This one. Let me give you some time. If you are not getting, don't worry. You understood the principle. Most of the question, the parallel sides will be mentioned. If you have pencil, you just highlight the corresponding triangle containing that parallel sides. Take left side ratio, left side ratio equal to right side ratio. Okay. Then remove the highlighting. Consider the next two parallel sides. Highlight the corresponding triangle involving these two sides. Write the ratio, equation 2. From the 2 ratio, you will get the answer. You try, you at least, some 2 or 3 steps you can write, okay? At least you can write some 2 or 3 steps. You please try it. After that, I will discuss, okay? If you are not getting, don't worry. You try to write some 3 or 4 steps and send to me through WhatsApp. 2 minutes, I will wait. Joshida, you join from 2 numbers, 2 devices.
Sir, only one device.
2 devices are visible now. Okay, everyone please try it. My objective is, it is not necessary to complete everything, but write some whatever step you are able to write, you write and send to me. Let me see. Okay, you can send to me. Don't worry if you are not getting complete solution. Or are you confident? Are you confident with, I mean, are you able to complete the solution? Samriddhi, let me check. You got the answer. Very good. Okay. Samriddhi, you got the answer. BPT theorem. Okay. Two equations you got from 1 and 2. It's very good. That is the right way. That is the right way. Samriddhi got the answer. Joshida, let me see. Samriddhi, is it over already taken in your school? Samriddhi?
No, sir.
Joshida, but you can add some extra steps you can write. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Lina, are you trying, Lina?
Sir, I don't know which triangles to consider.
I will. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will discuss. I will discuss. Others, Samriddhi and Joshida, you do one thing. 1 minute, 6.21. Please highlight this. I mean, do this question. Sixth one. This is the diagram. Please take the screenshot or take photo. By that time, let me explain this the other question to Lina and Benedict. Let me explain the other question to Lina and Benedict. Samriddhi and Joshida. You try the sixth question. If you have written the question, please raise your hand. If you have written the question, raise your hand. Sixth one. Joshida, you written. Okay. Lina, you try it. Whatever step you are able to write, you please write it. Actually, similar to previous question. Don't worry. All the questions are similar. Others, Lina and Benedict, send to me through WhatsApp. Okay. Samriddhi and Joshida. Lina and Benedict, listen. Benedict കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? Benedict കേൾക്കാമോ? All of you listen. I explained the technique. Lina, your doubt is which triangle to be considered. I will tell you. I told you the technique. Parallel sides are there. DE parallel to OQ. You have to consider those triangle which including this parallel sides. Understood? That triangle to be considered. The parallel side will be mentioned in the question. You have to mark it. You have to consider that triangle containing these two parallel sides. What is that triangle? I will show you. The triangle containing these parallel sides. Is it hard? It's very simple to identify the triangle. This is the triangle containing that parallel side. Is that okay? Lina, Benedict, understood?
Yes, sir.
Benedict.
Okay. There is an echo. Okay. So, just write left side ratio equal to right side ratio. You know the technique, right? Left side ratio. Normally we take the ratio like this. PE by EQ. Benedict കിട്ടിയതാണോ ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ? Benedict Benedict കിട്ടിയതാണോ? Okay. Then Lina, I will give you technique. Others please wait. Lina, I will just give you the method. The left side ratio equal to right side ratio. Are you able to write that equation, Lina? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
It's a homework for you. After that, others please wait. DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. You have to consider that triangle containing DF and OR. You have to consider that triangle containing DF and OR. Understood? The same techniques, very similar. Consider that triangle containing the parallel side. Again, you are able to write the left side ratio equal to right side ratio. You will get two equations. From 1 and 2, you will get the answer. You just try it. You send it, and still if you are not able, don't worry, I will explain in the next class for you. Okay? Is that okay, Lina? Is that okay? You understood the technique. Method is clear to you? Method?
Yes, sir. I got.
Try it. Others, please listen. Samriddhi, Joshida, have you got the answer of the sixth one?
Sir, doing.
Doing. Joshida, send it. AB parallel to PQ. AC parallel to PR. Do one thing. Today I have an emergency. Do one thing. All of you please write the sixth question. Write the question and draw this diagram. This one. Write that question and draw this diagram. Let it be homework. Again, I am telling you that if you are not getting, don't worry. I will discuss. You must ask me in the next class. I will discuss. I will explain all the problems given in textbook. Okay? So if you have written the question, you may leave the meeting because I have an emergency. Joshida and Samriddhi, I am going to check. Samriddhi, don't leave. Joshida and Samriddhi, since you have finished sixth one, you can try the seventh and eighth. Just try it. Okay, just try it, seventh and eighth. Samriddhi, let me check your solution, Samriddhi. Yes. Joshida. Not clear your writing. I think your solution is incomplete. You try once again, Joshida, and send to me. Okay, that's sixth one. Samriddhi, you can try seventh and eighth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
നിഷിത്ത് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാൻ മറന്നുപോയി. നിഷിത്ത് സിക്സ്ത് വൺ ഹോംവർക്ക്. നിഷിത്ത്, ഓക്കെ?
Okay, sir.
I will clarify all your doubt. Okay, if you are not getting homework, I will discuss. Let me leave the meeting. Okay.